Hey, it's Brandon with Be Clean Professionals, and we are in one of our local stores here in our area. As you can see, we got some spots here, over here. We got some nasty spots over here. I'm actually gonna take a picture. We got some here, little footsteps. You know Joe. There's old Joe. Can't go wrong with Joe, so you know we're in Central PA, of course. And we're getting all this here. Let's go Eagles, baby. It is Sunday fun day. So we're in here getting it in, doing our thing. And we got Penn State over here. And the Steelers. Look at all this. So look, we're going to get all this up here. That's going to be pretty cool. They're giving us a good back in here, which is awesome. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right. And we're just getting the floor. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We are using the Cymax. The Cymax goes 20,000 feet in 1 hour. 20,000. This is nowhere near 20,000. Plus, they got the stands and the clothing and all that. So, stuff's like this. And you're like, oh my God, your machine's so ugly. Well, don't judge a book by its cover, okay? We're not worried about it looking good and cute for you. We're worried about that floor looking good. And that's all we're caring about. So, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. And of course, go ahead and put in the comment something you want us to see. And like I said, it's Sunday. Couldn't get anybody to come in to work on a Sunday. They call that Sabbath day. But hey, I work 7 days a week. I don't care. And anyway, I only take 1 day off, and that's hump day. You know what I mean? And God works 6 days if you listen to the Bible. But hey, he worked 6 days. He only took 1 day off, and that was Sunday. Well, me, I'm a little different. I'm working until Wednesday. So let's get on to it. I'm going to go ahead and get the Cymex on it here. We're going to get started. Stay tuned. All right, I put a little bit too much juju in here in the beginning, right here in the first spot. You can just look at the sign. Look at that. I mean, just look at that joint. Check that out. All right. Look at that. Look at the stars. Look at the stars. Look at that Dallas. Shout out to Micah, Mr. Parsons. All right, shout him out. Let's get it. What I'm going to do, just for you for the video, I'm going to go ahead. Like I said, this thing does 20,000 feet in 1 hour. So all I'm doing is I'm feathering it. Look at that. Right? Feather, feather, feather. That's just the main walkway area, okay? Thing's beautiful. Just putting it down. Right in the middle of the floor. I mean, if you can't tell that difference, you better call Stevie Wonder. We're gonna call you Stevie Wonder if you can't figure that one out. If you can't see the difference in that floor right there. All right, so I'm gonna put the phone down for the sake of the video. We're gonna get us a GoPro here, because this thing's a lot better. So I can get you guys some good film. But all right, man, stay tuned. All right, here, we're giving you guys an update here. As you can see, remember that spot that was right here? It's not there, of course, you know what it is. I got all this here done right here. I'm doing this thing in sections right now. I'm over here on this other section. You can see that little heavy traffic way area. Yeah, no. Ain't gonna do any of that. And what I'm actually gonna do here is probably, so it's what, a week before Christmas. So we missed Black Friday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back in here probably after New Year's. So they'll probably be sale or something. You know, just wanna look at the how traffic is. So with our solution, we are using the Peace Cleaner. It is available on our website. We got the SDS available, and it also works on Tyler route for some of my hospital people. Currently working on a batch to make it hospital grade for you guys. So we'll get on that soon. But as of right now, we're using carpet, Tyler route, upholstery, cars, concrete, ECT, laminate, all types of flooring, wood flooring. We use to clean that as well. Just don't let it sit too long. It will swell the floor, just like any other cleaner will want to. So these things all in one. That's what we clean it up. Alright, when other stains come back, they don't return. Alright, using very low moisture. Okay, you're like, oh, where's your hoses? Hoses don't problems. Okay, I'll see if I can get a testimony from this person here. This is how we scored this account. They were scored with the carpet cleaner. Why? Because they had the carpet cleaner come in here. And they did hoses. Alright, now what's underneath here is glue down carpet. Okay? There's nothing underneath here but concrete. Alright, you can probably even put a pad on it. It's not soft. It's probably just slap this carpet down, put some glue down, and slap it down. So, whenever that carpet cleaner came in here with his hoses, his hot water extraction, whatever he was doing, he he dumped a bunch of fluid on the floor. All right, when it dried, it whipped. All right, leaking. All this stuff, all the sediment on the bottom comes up to the top. All right, and that's what happened here. And that's why I'm looking at here. I gave them a demo, a test, and what happened with the test? They liked it. All right, Black Friday, everyone came in here and they walked on it. It was beautiful. Yeah. All right, so I'll show you the demo spot that I did. That was about 2 weeks ago. All right, so we're getting in here, we're doing our thing. And we're gonna stay tuned. All right, guys, we're getting you a nice little update here. So we got one done. We got to do this one last. We are roughly, I don't know, 30 minutes in. Started around 6:20ish, 6:10. It's almost 7 o'clock. So we got this area. You seen that? We're almost halfway done. I'm starting to get hot. Had to take my hoodie off, and it's looking good. We're on the Philly area. Let's go Phillies. Fly, Eagles, fly. And we're going to get to the next part. All right, guys, so giving you a little update. We got the Philly area all done. All right, go Phillies. Don't judge me. And Philly, I should say, not Philly. But, hey, we got the Penn State part over here. All right, now next, we're going to do the Steelers part. And this is one of my favorites because you can see, look how nasty that is here. All that foot traffic. I'm just going to do a straight line down here. Okay? Straight line. Dropping a lot of solution down around here. Let this thing get done. Soak it up. We got just enough to finish up here. We only did 2 gallon mix on this here. That's all I use is 2 gallons and 600 square feet, maybe. A little more, a little less. I didn't bring out the laser pointer on this one. All right. Let's see. Like I said, this machine is the Simex, okay? Does 20,000 square feet in 1 hour. All right. This one, this is not a routine cleaning, so you can't blow through this, not like on chewy locations. But with this one, I mean, it's the first time here, so we want to make sure we get it real good, all right? So here we are. It's looking good. Drop a bunch more down here. Really trying to get this thing brightened up. So I'm going to show you the spot that I did over here. I'm going to run this thing down. Alright, so we're going to let that dwell. Like I said, we're gonna come back and hit this now. Next, you can see right here it's brighter. All right, so that's what it looked like before. It's brighter, but this is the spot that I did last time I was here. All right, see this little spot? See how that Steelers is? This is it. Now, because it's white, okay, can't get it back to the original state. All right, now you can see a lot in the camera because it picks up a lot more pixelation. I can't get it back in the original state only because, I mean, it's white carpet. It need to be bleached. All right, and that comes down to restoration, okay? But like I can't wait to get to this middle here. You'll see that from far away. You can see in the camera. I mean, I did this little right here, and it looks great. All right, so let's get to it. We're gonna finish this up here, and let's get to it. I should turn the video sideways. Probably gonna go out and I'm gonna get extra oomph. I want to boost this last bit a little bit more, just for the sake of it, because it's the Steelers spot. I'm gonna boost this thing. So I'm not liking the way it looks. So I'm going to, let me see, what am I first over here? the solution on here. So here we go. All right, now we get some more. He's gonna dump some more on this thing. Going a little bit slower on here. So as you can see with the floor, all right, remember this down, had a nasty little stain there, all that crap on there. All right, floor in, looking beautiful. So we're doing our post inspection, getting everything up. I gotta get a rag, and we still got one more spot to get up right here. So we're gonna get that with a rag, and we're probably gonna get this one here too. The soap, but and you can see the Steelers side looks beautiful. Right? You got that on there. All right, looking good. So this is going to take about an hour to dry, an hour, 2 hours, and it's going to be super clean, super good. It's going to get brighter. Like I said, the polymers are going to go ahead and they're going to get that thing on there. We're going to go ahead and continue to clean as we're going. So we're doing, like I said, we're doing a post walkthrough, post inspection. Look at that, if you got one on the side. So we hit that with a rag. The little spots where the machine couldn't get up to because we don't want to get too close to the merchandise here. All right, so here we go. And we're going to ask the manager to let us into the room here, and then we'll get done. I see a spot. Use the solution that's still left in the machine here, and then we're going to wipe this up quick. All right, stay tuned. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace. All right, we're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you. But we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings.